Chronicles of Zama, The Beginning. In the bustling yet shadowy streets of Sun City, darkness has a name, Black Heart, a sinister figure with a soul as cold as his moniker implies. He has cast a pall over the city, abducting women and young girls for his nefarious purposes.
So why them not kidnap me?
At his side stands Steel Jaw, a formidable accomplice whose very presence strikes fear into the hearts of the citizens. Zama Cross, a man of subtle manners but unyielding resolve,
Wow, hi handsome.
finds himself thrust into the heart of this storm. Beneath his polite exterior lies a spirit forged by adversity and a heart that beats for justice. As the cries of the innocent echo through the alleys and avenues of Sun City, Zama must tap into his inner strength and resourcefulness to confront the malevolent duo. With the odds stacked against him, Zama embarks on a harrowing journey, teetering between hope and despair. His path is fraught with danger and moral dilemmas, each step forcing him to dig deeper into his character and courage. As he inches closer to Black Heart, the ultimate question looms.
Sorry, may I squeeze your hand too tight?
Can this unassuming hero rise to the occasion and dismantle the grip of terror that strangles Sun City? Chronicles of Zama, The Beginning, is a tale of bravery, resilience, and the transformative power of an ordinary man stepping up to do extraordinary deeds. Will Zama Cross succeed in his quest and bring Black Heart down, restoring peace and safety to Sun City? Only time will tell if this polite stranger can emerge victorious.
If the fate of humanity depends on this matchup, then I have to get a comfortable seat.